Hello friends, good morning and good evening everyone. You are here. So today I am here with one more topic. So let's see. So the topic is whether to join in startups is a good idea or to join in MNC is a good idea because there are many people, mainly the freshers who are there. It can be in software field or it can be in like regular core jobs. So many people asking me, so what is the good way to join? So whether we have bright future in the startups or bright future in the MNC. So then mainly, if you come across these startups, so the company is very new, and the number of people are very less, and the amount of work it is very high. The work is very huge. So you don't find individual for each activity. Only you are going to do many things, and the duration of work you are going to do is very high. I mean, it is not the standard. For example, if you go to the MNC, your working timings can be like 8 hours a day. Maybe if any some urgent work or any important things or any so sometimes it may extend 1 or 2 hours. That can happen. But in startups, it's not like that. You are going to do most of the work. You are going to do more than 10 hours, 12 hours like that because the nature of work is like that. So your mind and your culture, everything will be like that. So because you have to improve a lot, right? From starting scratch to the everything you have to develop on your own, nothing will be there. So it will take a lot of time for finishing all the activities. And for example, if you are in a product company, so everything will depend on you. So from the starting of specification framing to the complete testing and sending the transformer or any other product out of the company, everywhere your involvement is required because very limited people are there. So you should all people will have more work. We can say multiple work you have to handle. You have to handle tendering, you have to add manufacturing details, you have to handle costing related, materials related, and testing related, transport. So many things you have to take care in the startups. So you will have a lot of exposure. You are like a master in the particular field. So for example, if you are working in the startup for 3 years, so it is almost equal to the spending your time in the MNC like 5 to 6 years. So it is almost like double experience you can gain in the startup. But at the same time, salaries can be that salaries that depends. It can be low or it can be high based on the nature of work you are doing in the startup. But MNC salaries can be almost standard value, and the amount of learning you will get from the startup is very high. So because you are involved at every aspect, from everything you are developing on your own. For example, by adding small things, you are developing a big product. So everything everything is happening in your eyes, in front of your eyes only. So that's what here in startups. But if you come across the MNCs, there everything is already predefined. So all the systems and the procedures, everything already exists. Only thing is you are going to use it and you are going to little bit modify it based on the requirement or need arises, and you are going to execute the projects. So here your efforts are less. Of course there will be some cases you are also if you are in RNG or some other areas, you still your time is like that, and you may need more focus. But rest of the in MNCs, your work is almost standard. So the growth, the learning and everything, we can say minimal. So the verticals number, you can't be expert in different areas. Only you can be expert in single particular area because there are number of people, number of for doing number of activities in MNCs. So this is one thing, guys. And if you are in a MNC, if you are in a startup initially, and if you move to the MNC, that's good because you know everything, and you can perform all the activities in a good manner, and you can if you need a peaceful life at the end of your life, then MNC is a good thing. But in the startups, the work stress will be more, so you will be having more stress. That leads to sometimes very abnormal situations also. But of course, yeah, so this it purely depends on how you are thinking, guys. So just judge yourself. So the everything like locality where the company is located, where the startup company is located, what are the other facilities you are getting. So like that you can just think of all the features. But at the end of the day, working in a startup gives a good happiness to you. It is like a lifetime achievement for you working in this startup company. But in MNC, it can be still like a pride. You are in a very good company, but may not get that much happiness. Because everything, if you do on your own, everything is depends on your own, then the happiness you will be getting, that is completely different. Yeah, this is one thing, guys. And if you are in MNC, there is chances for sometimes there is chances for moving from one place to another place, one company to other company, one country to other country. These things will happen in these MNCs because they have staggered. I mean, they have already predefined things, so it's okay. But in startups, it's not like that. It is only particular place. If you want to come out of the company, means you are going to new company. That's it. Thank you, guys. This is about this. We will meet in another video with other discussion. Thank you. Bye. Do subscribe to this channel for many more updates. Bye, guys. Thank you.